Here is how to fix FaceIT AC. Your system is missing important Windows updates or Windows security updates. So first we will need to check our Windows version because FaceIT requires a fully updated Windows 10 or 11, including security patches and trusted platform modules or TPM. First, what we can do is open run command here. And then in here, we will need to type winver, then press enter. That should open this window right here. You will need to make sure that your Windows version is above 21H2 for Windows 10 and 21H2 also for Windows 11. If you have an older version, you will usually get that error. So what you can do is go to Windows and then look for Windows Update Settings. Click on it and click on Check for Updates, and it should bring all the available updates to download. And you should download and install those updates to get your system to a supported version for the FaceIT Anti-Cheat. Now you might as well try to reinstall FaceIT by going to FaceIT.com and then download and reinstall it again from there. And you will also need to ensure that Secure Boot is enabled in your Windows 11 or Windows 10. Usually, to check if it's enabled or not, you can type sysinfo and then look for Secure Boot in here, and you should see Secure Boot state on, and that means Secure Boot is enabled. You will also need to check if TPM is enabled, which should be enabled if you have Secure Boot on Windows 11. So you will need to type in run command here. You will need to type tpm.msc and then press enter, and it should open up a window like this. Now when you maximize this and look in here, you will find TPM is ready for use, and the TPM version is 2.0, which means it's enabled. Now you can also uninstall interfering software that might block the functionality of AC or FaceIT AC, such as antiviruses like Kaspersky, Avast, or older versions of AVG and Windows Defender. Also, modified Windows versions might cause this problem. And what you can do also is install the latest .NET and Visual C++ redistributables. For this, we will need to open the browser and then look for .NET Runtime and click on this, and then download the latest version. Also C++ redistributables, and then click on the first link to take you to Microsoft's official page. Then scroll down and download the 64 and the 68 from this link, and then install them. Now you can simply close all of this and restart your PC, and then run FaceIT again or any game protected by it, and that should function properly and should fix your problem. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.